young guy called Wodemaya. Yes, I got through BBC, and yes, was here. You wish to become, and let me show you how to make money on Yemen. Wodemaya, I don't wish to be like you in any shape, in any form. I said, say, despite in some Hunuya, Wokan Yenano, Ukodru, Asante formal rousing welcome. So why do you, young man, you come and sit there and say nonsense? We wish to be Danny.
And Terriano, Adam Brovid, I'm catching us, said Wodemaya, Ghana's biggest YouTuber, Wodemaya. Abeke Canadian actually forgets every first small boy, no brand of Wasi. Now, Ombran penny for Neasi, not only Wodemaya, no, and let's share FIFA on how to make money. No, to be now, and it's what Facebook, S scanner. On that issue, now, Pia, we are seeing our Teddy, say more and FIFA, Babeka. At this moment, every for responsible. A top form, say kutu, say bam, and that's indeed the wrong and some more people as counter defense. Honest over fire. Hi, Penyah Block Media. That's what I said indeed. Over like a video, not that my one subscribe button, somebody can cover the place and call the place. Now, bet you the wide and mamma, comment section of Baswa. No, I should be known for be ashy. Over here, this year, you started after 25 film. I don't know what Wodemaya about a TikTok page. I don't know post video, and I said, or mind to about trading a course with slave trading a course in the 19th, no? And he was saying, oh, and she going to be three say a year. And Rofuna Ebertoy, there be Nasa, a year rather the Ashantis, according to Wodemaya, the Ashantis who were capturing the Northerners and selling them to the Europeans.
Yeah, the Northerners. They make soup with this one. And I think it makes sense because when you talk about, the transatlantic slavery, people think that the people that were taken to the Caribbean were mostly Ashantis. No, it was actually the Ashantis that were capturing people. So they were capturing people from the north of Ghana.
Other places
the
where
Salaga market.
Yeah.
So they catch you from the Salaga side. They walk you down all the way to Cape Coast, where you take your last bath.
Wait, you walk all the way from the north.
I tell you,
are you kidding me?
So that is why
you are making it up. It's not true.
I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up.
Many
if you go to the north,
many of our African American brothers in the diaspora in the Caribbean, we shouldn't think they are from the coastal areas.
No.
Salaga, up north. If we do tourism right, you will just see how they tracked, kidnapped, captured people all the way from present-day northern Ghana, hundreds of kilometers.
Even the north that I know.
Yes, they walked. They.
Some people did not even make it along the way from the north.
There's a sound of phone and a capture is your phone, a toast your phone, and Wodemaya and Chiremu, one Chiremu and go Chiremu and Kababa, and go Chiremu where you clearly at Kababa was. It's no for him to say for no more than it. No more than say. Now, as on the phone, yen say, no man done no more there, they will no more yen say, like, no yen say, but you were paying Wodemaya where a whole day one would be policy. And I said, as someone, Wodemaya kind of, not every trim, every fair in nation trim, ain't he? I'm swatting the third, then Wodemaya of Eswatini, the king of Eswatini, or back Ghana is opposed to 2 for, oh, mention if you want to 2 for a true royal banquet, Emma, that is dinner. Otu for true dinner Emma dinner national. Wodemaya Accusations.
Majesty Otumfuo, it's my pleasure to present to you a son of yours, a son of the soil, who, very angry at the way the world views Africa, has decided on a path to tell the true story of Africa, the most often neglected path, the path of progress and of great peace. Ladies and gentlemen, you know him, you love him, and certainly come to doubt him. Wodemaya is in the building. Please, a round of applause for that anointed boy. When Donald Trump took a swipe at Lesotho, it was this young man who told a very compelling narrative about Lesotho. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to his brilliance and his efforts, today that video in less than 4 months has come in about 1.5 billion views. A round of applause for Wodemaya. And such is the talent of Wodemaya right here in Ghana, telling the African story. And such is Wodemaya is the talent shown right here in Ghana, telling the African story of this Wodemaya.
And for a show host, a FIFA ever like no bad brothers. Oh, most only and moody as unfortunate. I say you're tribalistic, and a hand for and a hand. And fan say more Wodemaya, I can fast and phone in nature. Opa mention you fee, Obi and Pamela Yanaki, Yaman the Quine, I want to dinner night, oh baby, young kind of one.
Aye, na afei so no yate se nkrofo ye sante hene no waye sei na sante hene no waye sei an wo hene bi ba no wo di plane ba ye na sante hene no ni plane ye rade eti ne ye besa mamamfo na sua de monarchical system and the constitutional rule. The difference between that so constitutional rule no kura ne de be ya monarchical constitutional rule no kura ne de de and ye constitutional monarchy and no kura ye de be ya and ye absolute monarchy and no so ye besa sua ne de ni a kire ni nyina mo hunu se sante hene ti wai na ne man no sante na da ne man de da na asumdwe nti an wo ye no se mame fa meka ho na de mo ye nyina ye nka ho ene Wodemaya wodidi asantefo atem yesi on said ne wako ye obi anya na hwe. Asantes are the most peaceful people in Ghana. Oko kan ye se ye manka se Wodemaya nsem hu no okeka fa asantefo ho Wodemaya ni nsem hu no okeka fa asantefo ho se ye baabi no okọ sa party bia anka do mo de be ye no enso okọ ye obi anya na hwe ye je ni fefefe so. That is the hospitality of Asantes. Enso da saso mo me ho ntoye da bia ye di atem afa wu ko yiwa no yes wo na wu be yiwa no ye tribalistic mo asebe no o ti bi da be say ye didi watem ne mom ko anu tum ne ye didi watem na aba na wu be yiwa no a wo ye tribalistic na nim die drum yesa o ma weaponize no
na sense a for the record show host F00LING the shows I can't for Wodemaya won say oh efa se mu na Wodemaya kan nyina no say na Wodemaya so aye na hi na aye na ya it omu post video we e wo Twitter currently known as X omu post na na Wodemaya reply with a tweet and not just said when did I insult the Asantes that be another him fan of me Wodemaya media and the photo and then this particular tweet no do everybody say masa Wodemaya we fit as ma kan ya na January 2025 o kan say asanefo no na omu na kwa chisirefo ko ton mamro say is o kwa yes asanefo no na and then sabotage Ghana they say in actual sense no Wode bibi hyesirefo ntrim o masirefo nya asanefo no ehu trimuka bi uru show dey say tetene kwa no omu na ton mamro no yes o create some impression that to sirefo no trimu elo ka na dia wo ye we no so enya temidi a ene eye dai parase eye dai and then Wodemaya Esabel reply with a tweet. I just say, oh, you don't have a brain if you think I hate Asantes. Kazi masa, who ni adwene? Hey, so you say me Wodemaya meti 7 times and 4 and 7. Adwene pass here. Who ni bi? And watch it elbeki another tweet. The tweet mono and then the bobo na adwene F00LING. Say I not try. Big man, I not target F00LING for a record GH. Feel to reach out to me and let me show you how to make proper money without asking your audience to donate stars to create more content. As I overthrow shit. On every ever live ever Facebook, I said there's a system generated messenger. And yet you can support for the records by sending stars. Stars help us earn money to make more content. What I say? System we know a system automated message for every content creator on Facebook who is accepted into Facebook monetization program, who is on the Facebook monetization program, who is accepted into the Facebook creator fund. There's a money of Facebook a page, you're monetizing my money. Facebook monetization access. Over life, I do a or we better support you by calling amount of stars. Is there no one who do what they can say, Master? Afrifa, bra. Now, men chiro, a papa was creating content, and Jessica, nature is all Facebook as restaurant, Master guys. Chasala the ball, chabo, Master, chabo, wapa, chasala the ball. Brefi na mentire oduma. What I say, and then make it that particular put. And then the tabletry said, I really don't brag, but today I have to. No Asante blogger or vlogger has showcased the rich Asante culture and the beauty of Kumasi more than Wodemaya. Yes, me tell you, menu men kasaba feel me kasa. Hey, Ghana ha Kumasi ha shantime mu hanu. Blogger Pierre ni Wodemaya say we promote Kumasi and I promote the Asante culture more than Wodemaya. Obi ni ho. Mu obi amu bakodi. Moment about coding obi anyhow. Anna or somebody another tweet. So let's be real. Deep down, you all wish to be like me, Wodemaya CSM. So this is Twitter, set of Twitter, Wodemaya MK. In response to and some of I got translated as Wodemaya qualifies you will come as money now or by Benjamin Fayam Pam no I say Wodemaya ever born out in Etra. I know no and F00LING ever alive. Wodemaya, you junior bro. And now okay, hey. So also maybe person me I want to be like you. Hey, me person me also who foko. Me person me say who even hey who ni pedua who there be me Afrifa. Me person me say who da. Kase kwachiri me person me say who da. Na fan say maka oh omra no ntin adwuma e ko so critic content yes can we just say the answer. Me media answer mo no. Enye sika ntina mo so debi enye sika ntina me kwa minim kwa ye feel kwa netuaka me enye sika ntina mo so it don't kind of say jankwase akeka no.
Young guy called Wodemaya, which me who so akoye tweet be and it's become topical on social media. Right. First of all, Wodemaya ni ade baby onam no enye ho na menam. Enye ho ana menam.
Or even cross path.
Baby a onam eye ni oye no. Wo ye na ade wo ye ade ni ade. But enye me focus.
Debbie.
Ene me yi no.
Debbie.
So at no point is he my target.
Precisely.
The moment you say, "Oh, promote Ghana, oh, promote Africa." You will do that at the expense of a year Asante for any dignity. I catch them any day, anytime.
Let them know.
We will not wake up and attack anybody.
Precisely.
But we will not also sit down and concern and allow you people to continuously attack us.
Pound for pound.
So I know people want to now I with the Maya so Akotro Bibi said we want to all of us wish to be like him. Young man, oh boy, first of all, I don't wish to be like you in any shape or form. What more may not hear? Okay, so General, you know, social media handles, most of them is not even run by me.
Exactly. So.
YouTube require them some more post to homeboy. Because what motivates me is not the monthly stipends now when you're free social media. No, me the year bay. And I saw you are my control. Me name do this send stars in the idea. No, I'm saying more you show. Send stars be that yo. When you're free, because stars in the year no more at the Facebook. I don't know anything about it. Facebook for now the tour amount and yes was here you wish to be come and let me show you how to make money on nearby. Wodemaya, I don't wish to be like you in any shape, in any form. Sabin previous say idani for Wodemaya to so say a personality I didn't play mu a conquer for her a more culture near dia. They will be said you will be him will be channel. It made me at play mu a try didn't play mu will be Sika I did plane ticket will be. Young Kongoka culture wants him to commit me a yes. So it is not about anything you are doing that I want to do. Who show why you're near my show me or near my name of Yansha video we. Yansha video we. Danny was a video.
You know, the transatlantic slavery, people think that the people that were taken to the Caribbean were mostly Ashantis. No, it was actually the Ashantis that were capturing people. So they were capturing people from the north of Ghana. You know,
other places
the
where
Salaga market.
Yeah.
So they catch you from the Salaga side.
Okay, so hold on. So that video when I would demand yeah. And you see, the object of the video was that he wanted to cause disaffection for Ashantis by Yenuanum Salaga for. Now, what the myopic mind did not tell him is that Oko Jamaica, Omo Edomko Caribbeans, most of them Omo Ashantis. So there is even a queen called Queen Nani. Fighting for the freedom of the people. But Wodemaya wanted to create disaffection for Ashantis by saying that Asantifona Kwache Salaga for. And Okotron Womoma a year abrofo. Me wana Santifonia abrofo ikontoka. Ni ye twasel Charles Makatiti. Na ni apese ton nipa mo mo a. And you see this kind of narrative that people continue to say. And Santifo and ye the ntoma and the befa and ye the mirror and the beji slaves in here. These are the narratives of the oppressor. Precisely. So. If the toma no omo di frabro chire na buy wa bra toma ni invented in Africa. And omo di toma beto slaves. So you must be very myopic for you to buy. But you see, There is a man called, I think, Malon Doche Bibi. These are all anti-Ashanti people who want to portray Ashantis in a certain direction.
Exactly.
So Wodemaya, as some no kind, so you'll be a badwin mana dwene ko achira. I said, despite in some hunu ya wokan ye nyina no, ukodru Ashanti formal rousing welcome. So it should tell you the kind of hospitality that Ashantis have. What is there to come and respond about this? Because who can say about them, which was untruth. You propagated untruth, complete untruth, complete falsehood. Yen you know when for more Caribbeans and I told almost celebrity. One that you want them coin. It is Dochena no Jina on channel. Now so Busan say, Nim you know when I follow a domo co celebrity. One that you want them coin. You sit down and you continue to spearhead some narrative which continuously abuses as Antifonia More. You continuously abuse them. And I'm afraid maybe a Jantua. Jantua said maybe you don't even understand what is going on. So in one breath, they give with your left hand and they slap you from behind. So they pretend that they like the kingdom, but they behind the scenes, the kind of things they do.
Hypocritical people.
Let's listen to Yenti the Wodemaya.
The way to Cape Coast, where you take your last bath.
You walk all the way from the north.
I'm telling you,
look at it's not hold on. It's not as if he's even reporting. I'm telling you, that Sanchez did it. So it means you are saying something you know for a fact it happened. Onienti.
It's not true.
I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up.
Many
if you go to the north,
many of our African American brothers in the diaspora, in the Caribbean, we shouldn't think they are from the coastal areas.
No.
Salaga, up north, if we do tourism right, you will just see how they tracked, kidnapped, captured people all the way from present-day northern Ghana, hundreds of kilometers.
Not that I know.
No, they walk.
I don't know. Doche, unka, womo ye form free voter region. Almost one achi womkoi. I never know. I never been same hunu. Ana make us the entity I'm responding to is Oka san same hunu we. Sasanti for ye any tribe bia. And how could do one they would have been hostile towards you.
Precisely.
So why do you, young man, you come and sit there and say nonsense? We wish to be Danny. Sadia been a dab when I'm on ye senator. Jeffrey one na media motivation. Me social media media
Like him for what?
how much you revenue na munya or honya dia why who set up polia hina. If you come and say something Anna, you wish to be like me. Wish to be like you. What drives me to do the things I do are very deep. You have no idea. You cannot even comprehend them. You think it's about sitting on plane and going to people and say, oh, this is the culture of this is the culture of that. But why? The personality that we use to go and do these things. Who will be changing? Young man. So I think social media team for Twitter, don't engage him. Ignore him. They sent me some posts and I told them that ignore him. He's not my focus. He's not my target.
Not at all.
The focus for me here are the people that we've given them the mandate to run our nation.
Sure.
Wodemaya, you are not my focus. I only try to show you how hospitable Ashantis can be.
So,
If you think you're offended by that, you continuously abuse a certain group of people, and you want us to keep quiet because it's beggar.
And many audience on your beer.
Don't begin to project these things as my brand. I don't do that. Machia, Danny, Munji stars in the front of stars be there. Bosome Sokuranua, Omutriaka, Facebook Omutriaka, Omutia, Minim. Ana sadi Facebook de mammo. Menya sure say beso you boys here you ma haketia. So cut away with that.
exactly.
Jangwasi Asamnika. Every verse will add to another shot. I will go now again pa actually Wodemaya. I'm was to say but I will not Jangwasi Asamnika. Drag your mama, comments. How you